counties, Bandera, Gillespie, Kendall, and Kerr. Wind advisory in effect from 2 p.m. this afternoon to 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday. What? North winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Where? Majority of south central Texas outside from along the Rio Grande. When? From 2 p.m. this afternoon to 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects, such as Halloween decorations. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Your local forecast.